a simple trick that will teach you how to save money. If only I could stop spending money on stuff I don't need. I would buy so many useful things. Have you ever thought this? Then this video is just for you. There is a simple and efficient way to save money, and as a bonus, we'll show you the worst places to hide your emergency cash. Rule number 1. Zero out your money every evening. It's pretty easy. You have to zero out the unspent money every evening. For instance, you decided to zero out to 10. In the evening, you have $532 in cash, $2,425 available on your bank card. What you should do: subtract the last digit from each number to get a 0 at the end. It's easier to zero out cash into a piggy bank, and you may use a savings account or any other bank account to transfer the money from your card. For example, $532 minus $2 equals $530. $2,425 minus $5 equals $2,420. You may also zero out to more zeros. For example, to 2. $532 minus $32 equals $500. $2,425 minus $25 equals $2,400. Rule number 2. Move any unspent money to your saving account. Save everything that's left over before payday. Zero out one more time at the end of the month. For instance, you still have $300 in cash and $1,000 in the bank. Just move it to your savings account. What are the advantages of this simple method? Here they are. You know how much money you have every morning, and it's always a round number. You start to control your spendings and stop buying crap. Most importantly, you actually save money. And finally, here's our bonus: the 8 worst places to hide your cash. People have many reasons why they don't use a bank and instead hide their cash at home. Are you one of those who keep their emergency savings under the mattress? If you are, we want to warn you that keeping money stashed around the house is not always safe. 1. In the backyard. Burying your cash in the backyard is not a good idea for 3 simple reasons. Your neighbor might see you hiding it. If your pet loves digging holes, it can easily find your money. Buried in the ground, your rainy day fund may be ruined by rain. 2. Under your mattress. Although hiding your dollars under the mattress has become a classic, don't think that keeping your cash there is a good idea just because you sleep on it. When you're not at home, it'll be the first place for thieves to check. 3. In shopping bags. Even if thieves don't look for your savings in random shopping bags, they might need them to carry the stuff they stole. And you don't want to give them another pleasant surprise, right? 4. In old wallets and handbags. Don't put your emergency cash in your old wallets and handbags. Even if you don't use them anymore, it doesn't mean they are a good place to keep the money. 5. In laundry baskets. You might think it's a good idea to keep your money in the basket for dirty clothes, an object that no one would want to touch. However, thieves use those baskets to transport stolen objects, so sometimes a laundry basket is exactly what they need. 6. Behind a picture or photo in a frame. Another classic. Thieves watch the same movies as the rest of us, and they won't hesitate to check such sneaky places, even if it means breaking your most precious memories. 7. In safes that are not bolted down. It doesn't matter if it's small or large, your safe is useless if the thieves can carry it. It's a good idea to bolt your safe down so that it is difficult to move and carry. A wall, a floor, even a piece of furniture will do fine. 8. In drawers and cabinets. Neither drawers nor closed cabinets are safe to keep your money in. Thieves often have screwdrivers and crowbars with them, so closed pieces of furniture are among the places they check first. If you feel like you have run out of places to hide your money, try the following suggestions. Wrap your money in a plastic bag and tape it to the bottom of the kitchen counter or to the bottom of your kid's toy box. The best option is to create a false bottom in it. in a waterproof container stored in the lowest drawer of your refrigerator or freezer. Make sure it doesn't read ice cream or something else yummy thieves might want to try. Hide your savings among buttons, threads, and other sewing accessories. Unless thieves suddenly need to sew something, they most probably won't look for your money in there. In a pair of old shoes, clothes, or maybe in an old computer that no longer works. Make sure it all looks like junk you have not disposed of yet. So, are you saving money for anything important? Let us know in the comments what you're saving up for. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to help them spend money wisely.